In this tutorial, we'll explain some of the small icons that you see throughout the usual data entry screens and list screens in the system. So let's go into Company first. You'll notice various icons like a phone icon, a little plus icon, an envelope. So the phone icon, whenever you hover over these icons, it'll show you a tooltip of what actually the function is for. But in the case of the phone icon, you can create a phone call or invoke a phone call from the system, either using Skype or you can interlink with other VoIP systems like Asterix. The plus icon is usually to create something, like in this case create a fax, or in another case it might be create a letter. The envelope is in this case create an email. Here we've got a little mobile or cell phone to again dial, or if you can notice here that if you hold down the shift key and click on the icon, you can create an SMS or a text message. Also, anywhere that you see an address, there's a little pin icon that when you click on that, it'll show you Google Maps, or in this case, if you click on the view address, it'll bring you to the address screen, and it'll also again show you the specific Google map from that screen, or you can do it in your browser. Other small icons worth mentioning would be, here we've got create a letter or create a fax. Or for example, if we were going to the documents module, we've got other additional small icons in there. Like in the case of a note, where you've got a little face, you can click on that to insert a timestamp with the current user and the date. Or here at the document screen, we can view full screen for the current document we're on. Click return. Or in this case, we can email the document. So the main thing is that each small icon in the system, when you hover over it, you can actually see what it's going to perform. You can turn off that option as well to view or show or hide tooltips throughout the system for the small icons. You can do that in Setup and Preferences. Within portals throughout the system, a portal is basically where there's multiple lines relating to that record. In this case, we've got document usage. We've got little icons in there as well. An arrow will be to view that. So in this case, it's going to view the communication. And here we've got a delete button, which will delete the link or the usage of this document to that specific email or communication. That fairly much covers the use of small icons throughout the system.